Good morning, everyone. I am Samantha Iponberry from STEM UC Berkeley. We are the ABAS team, and we present to you Mimikut, a bio-inspired traffic assistance robot.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul Esperino, and I will be speaking about for the bioport. Our chosen organism is the owl, which has a nocturnal biological adaptation for hunting in the dark, using low light vision and stealthy silent flight. The owl's eyes are specially adapted for high-density neural cells that amplify the faint light, allowing it to spot prey from afar even at night. Its head can rotate up to 270 degrees, giving it a wide field.
Can you speak a little bit slow? Then you can use the mic, Alan.
Its head can rotate up to 70 degrees, giving it a wide field of view without moving its body, which helps in stealthy hunting. We were inspired by the owl's low light vision and 270 degrees head rotation to create our project, mimicking these features for night vision systems.
Since you have been informed that our chosen animal from the Aves kingdom, which is an owl, we present to you the Mimikut, which is bio-inspired traffic assistant robot, which is what we put in our project title. So it is used to assist traffic enforcers in resolving issues that occurs in the road. So our Mimikut has camera for its eyes. But of course, in our prototype currently, it only has lights because we cannot afford to buy a camera. But it represents there, and of course, the light it has a purpose. So their eyes can actually is a flashlight or has light on it, and even has a night vision. And our prototype, as you can see, is actually made from paper and it is shaped like an owl using using origami. But in the actual production of our Mimikut, we will use a drone-based materials because, especially, its wings will be it's inspired by the drones. So it will be, but the improved part of its wings will be, it is faster and quieter. And it is used to catch criminals in the road. Of course, there are law breakers, traffic law breakers in the road, and they have to be captured. And using the camera, they can be detected, the license plate and their faces, etc. And of course, we didn't forget one of the owl's known characteristic, the 270-degree head turn. And the camera, it actually has a panoramic fisheye view. And you might be wondering that if it has a fisheye view, the quality might be ruined or the face detection might be lower. Since that this project will only be controlled or will be sold only to the government, since it is used for traffic, we will be upgrading the camera. We will be using multi-sensor cameras, increase its bit rates for pixelation, and adjust its compression, as well as using professional dwarfing. So the face detection will be more recognizable and can be used without a problem issue. And of course, we will not be forgetting about the sound features. We will also be putting a high-sensitive microphone and loudspeakers as well as the alarm to alert the traffic enforcers.
Good morning, everyone. I am Justin Pidistra, and I will through the materials that are used to make our circuit and it functions for our Mimikut. Inside our Mimikut, we have a 3D origami prototype. There are 8 electronics parts inside, like the ultra sensor that is used to detect motion that move the owl's head or wings or once motion is detected. There is also a buzzer or alarm that produces a sound to alert the enforcer. The camera captured photo or videos for monitoring, and the LED lights acts as the owl's eyes that light up when motion is detected, and jumper wires connect all the components in the circuit, and the battery or power supply provide electricity to the whole system. When motion is detected, the sensor activates the lights, alarm, motor, and camera, allowing the owl to function as creative security system.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lieutenant John Jeremy, and I will explain the circuit diagram in our meeting. In our meeting, we use a series diagram to make the light bulb work. And we just did it simple and easy, so it won't have any abnormalities or any malfunctions. And as you can see on our meeting board, the button and the battery is together because because this is the resting part. When I'm working on our meeting board, I saw an old broken razor, electrical razor, and I repaired it, and I saw a battery inside. And I see a potential of using it as our battery because it's still working. So why not we don't use it for our report? And then we use it, and so I see it's working. And so overall, our mini button is rechargeable and not disposable. And rechargeable and it's easy to use.
I'm Megan Consumption, and I will explain to you how our will improve the quality of life. Our baby food is an owl and private system that built to address road safety issues and drive stress. Our innovation directly improves quality of life by boosting physical health through liver accidents and easing mental strain from messy traffic. These benefits address important human needs for safety and order in roads. All depends on surviving instinct like exceptional vision and clear hearing to detect threats and move safe.
Our chosen organism is the owl because of sharp vision and strong awareness, especially at night. Our innovation aims to improve road safety.
Okay.
To save and reduce accidents on the road.
Alright, thank you so much. Group number 1. Okay, so this time, state your surname, then what's your contribution?
My name is Mary, and I contributed to the idea and making of the PP.
My name is Concepcion, and I made the idea of value.
I'm Bautista and I'm Shelby Company.
I'm Veronia. I assisted on the PPT.
I'm Melissa. I'm going the one with
I'm Killer Nino, and I'm the one who did the circuit diagram of the meeting.
So, there's an absent. Sino mga absent?
Si Bailan po, tsaka si Cindy.
Thank you. Okay, can we see the right? Okay, so let's start by asking questions. So what you have here is just a sample, right? But you don't have the actual materials. But if ever, what would be the materials you're going to use with your BB food?
We will be using drone-based materials.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so first question, aside from that first. So why did your group choose an owl instead of any other nocturnal bird? There's plenty of choices, right? It could be an eagle or raven. Why choose only? Is there any specific inspiration as to why you choose this
We choose all because of its because of its unique traits and characteristics. As you can see, all is not popular in any other bird like eagle or eagles and etc. We choose all because with these characteristics of heavy 270 degree rotation, short ears, silent movements, and with the night vision.
Does the 270 degrees, does it apply to your project?
Actually, no.
Why?
Because we try to make it, but we try to make the 170 degree rotation on our project, but we can apply it automatically and even though manually, because if we apply it, it will destroy some parts and it will be hard.
Okay, so basically, not all the characteristics of owl were produced in your output. Let's say in your, let's say you're going to produce it, not like that. The green one,
Yes.
you're going to apply the
Yes.
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 Okay, let's ask. You can answer some the other members. Okay, so this one is you're going to use it for traffic as a traffic assistant. But how is this meaningful, more efficient than the technology we have now? Right? Because, for example, today we don't have, we already have this, what do you call this? Yung no contact. Oh, it says source, diba? That we're already using it now. And that's the main use of it, that people or a police officer doesn't need to go to the or they don't need to take time going to the road, but there's CCTV and all the violations are already caught. Okay, so what's the use of this? Why do we need this one instead of the technology that we have now? So why am I going to invest to something that is more expensive if I can have the technology that we are using now, and it's almost the same.
It's because it is just, I mean, it's indicated that it's only for traffic, but it's actually far more than that. It is used, like I explained earlier, for traffic law breakers especially. We plan that our baby code can chase them for better detection. And of course, like I said, in the camera, there will be a better face detection and a higher quality for it. And higher sensitivity of camera. I mean, mic. And it is better because that is hard. The current CCTV cameras today, they're they're low quality, and it's harder for us to detect what happened in the scene. And also, we will also implement in our Mimic Code its own AI. Like there's its own AI interpretation of what's happening, and it's like a smart assistant, traffic assistant robot.
Okay. But do you think is it more efficient when it comes to, for example, what if the weather is, I mean, this is a tropical country, most of the time we experience storms. So do you think it's more efficient than the AI traffic camera that we have now? Or what if there's a strong wind? Get this robot still flying. I know what we're gonna do. Did you talk about it when you were creating this gaming board?
We thought that since it is inspired by owls, and so they will be happy to characteristics that can withstand strong winds, because they have a very unique flying style.
But they're not, so, let's say, diba, the normal CCTV or the normal technology right now, it fails at times. So what if your device failed during heavy traffic hours, etc.? So what would be the consequence of that? You haven't talked about that.
If ever the gaming code is malfunction at like timeout, if ever the thing happen, our gaming code will send a alert or message to near traffic officers that could handle the traffic flow while our gaming code is malfunction.
Maybe because we decided to assist traffic enforcers, not fully replace them. So it shouldn't be fully depend. We shouldn't fully depend on it. That traffic enforcers still should be high alert. So even if it malfunctions, they're still ready. It is only the Mimic Code will be only used to improve and to be able to adapt to present day modernity.
Alright, next. For those who did not answer yet. Okay, so it says here, can you go back to first step slide? So how can your Mimic Code reduce drivers' anxiety? I mean, if it's a traffic assistant, how good, what do you think, how good this invention or this product of yours reduce or help the drivers inside? I guess you mentioned that. I just need to hear it from those who didn't answer yet. Whose part is it? Sige, ganun. What are the common stress that drivers experience? And how could Mimic Food help those drivers?
For me, their protection in the main people can help. They can help ensure their protection in the road. That's for me.
How?
Because the whole flying around the
Okay, so the whole time they're going to guide a certain driver up until they come to the point where they need to. So everyone will have their own beautiful line. Like at the top of their vehicle. Especially isn't it scary that the whole time you are being guarded by this goal? How do you think this can help? I mean, you mentioned here, and that's the part of your person as well. How could this help? How could this reduce stress? For a driver who's experiencing psychological stress during, for example, there's traffic. There's poor traffic management. Nakatapos sa pipeline. Tapos, mga traffic enforcer nagpapatraffic pala. How could this device help? What is it big from Yes, answer. Okay.
Since there are traffic, if there's a traffic and the driver is already stressed, there's our name could, our name could is gonna guide the let's say The our team would be we get the end part of the traffic to take an alternative route so they can choose another route so they can escape traffic, and when the traffic portion is handling the current traffic situation, other drivers can take alternative route because of with the help of our vehicles. So they can
Alright, thank you. And it's actually zero. Just need to review your slides. Okay, thank you. For those three that didn't answer yet, what's your surname again? Concepcion. For misconception, what is the most challenging part of this presentation? What's the most challenging part?
What kind of restrictions
Kasi we have other options when it comes the animals are going. So what are your options? What were the options? Eagle and flamingo. So when you come up with even the eagle and flamingo is not that popular here. Also, we have a very small knowledge about this kind of things. So why choose an animal that is unfamiliar for us? Let's just go back. What's the hardest part? So choosing the animal. Just the hardest part. Okay. How about Mr. Jen? What's the challenge? What's the most challenging part of this presentation?
Choosing the animals. We choose the owl except for the during the stop judge. Because of its 270-degree head of view, which is suitable for traffic assistance. And it's a concept behind the technical systems, such as the advanced vision that, and the alert system for traffic, which is the owl because of its racing characteristics.
Okay, and last one about you, Ms. Lotis, if you're going to change something with this presentation and with your project, what will you change and why?
Iwan po siya ng iwan?
Okay, what are you going to change? Your group members? It's a personal question na. Huwag kang natatakot ka ba baka panagsigay? And then, what do you think? We're going to choose, going to change something.
Don't want to improve anything. Right. Can you please speak in?
That's a function of traffic light and it's more update.
Alright, thank you so much. Group number 1.